Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a working keyboard. iMac shows a flashing question mark because it cannot find a bootable system. Once powered, reset the NVRAM by holding Option-Command PR for about 20 seconds so firmware settings clear. Next, hold Option at startup to reveal available startup disks. If none appear, boot into Internet Recovery with Command Option R. Make sure Internet is connected. Recovery gives you disk utility and reinstall options to proceed immediately. You now run disk utility first aid on the internal drive. This checks and repairs file system structures and partition maps. If repairs succeed, choose a startup disk and reboot. If first aid fails, reinstall Mac OS from Recovery or Internet Recovery. Select Reinstall Mac OS and follow prompts to avoid erasing if possible. If the internal drive is missing or corrupt, use Target Disk Mode with another Mac, or create an external USB installer to boot and clone or reformat the internal drive before reinstalling the system. You finish by setting the startup disk in System Preferences or using the terminal bless command so the firmware points to the correct volume, then reboot to confirm. Once done, reset the SMC on Intel iMacs if power or peripheral recognition remains flaky, and verify successful boot. If the drive still isn't detected, that indicates hardware failure. One key troubleshooting tip: connect the drive externally or run Apple Diagnostics. If the internal drive is absent or fails diagnostics, replace it or seek Apple service.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.